Basically, it's close to the Westbahnhof and the station, and close to 24 hours shops.
Well, it's close on the U-Bahn to the city centre, which is good for going out and socialising and that kind of thing.
I don't like, for example, that near here is a red line. So sometimes you see strange things, and I think that could be easily solved, for example, if there is a policeman present in the night.
Here it's quiet, it's peaceful, you can sleep at night, you can leave the window open and sleep like a baby.
These doors are a bit of a problem safety-wise, maybe, I don't know, location, being right next to an international bus station, these doors can be left open and that kind of thing. I wouldn't want to be living up high if there was a fire though, because I don't know how you would get out if there was a bad fire in the kitchen.
I really like these yellow walls here, and the red walls in the corridors, those are really nice. And in the room it's like maybe a feature wall would be nice, like a red wall maybe, I don't know.
Everything can easily wash, and also because of the material, if there is dust, it's easily as well to clean it.
The white walls are easily marked and that kind of thing, so that's a negative, I suppose.
I feel bad for these guys because they don't get any light and no ventilation, so that's, I don't know, it gets really dingy, dark and dingy in these corridors sometimes.
Maybe the light in the kitchen is not really pointing at the kitchen, it's pointing at somewhere outside.
The kitchens are like, I don't know how well you know the place, but there's no windows, it's just all the rooms come off a central kitchen. And the lighting is fine, but it's very artificial, and when you're cooking and that kind of thing, it can be a bit cramped, and no airflow through is a bit gross, I suppose.
Is there enough daylight?
No, not really. No. I would love to have a better window. And also we have a small lamp in our desk, and with one direction light, I don't like it.
Maybe the things up are very high, but it's okay.
Well, a seat with a cushion would be nice, because then I had to buy my own cushion, but otherwise that's fine. The bed's fine. You've got 2 chairs and a table, and I've got a corner room, so I get like an extra table.
I think everything is quite well. Besides, we don't have an oven. Sometimes I miss the oven, really. I think that this is because this is a passive house, but we don't have any kind of air conditioning. I don't know how it could be solved with this eco architecture, but we need it to definitely. Yeah.
Because the sink is really small, so when I'm like washing the dishes, and the dishes aren't really proportionate to the sink, so like if the dish is like this big, you have to really maneuver yourself on the sink so that the water doesn't spill on the floor, and then you have to wipe the floor. Otherwise it's fine. It's a bit cramped sometimes, but you can always manage.
It's actually better than I thought it would be, so that's not really a problem. Particularly in our rooms with the shared kitchen, you can socialise if you want, or you can be in your room by yourself, so privacy-wise not really a problem.
But something that I really like is that we have our private bathroom. So this is really good, because even, we share the kitchen, but at least the bathroom is something that you can use wherever you want and don't bother the other people. chat a little bit and you don't feel alone at all.
Well, I think they have some common rooms on the upper floors. I haven't been to them.
I think there's like some table football, and maybe that can. I think no one uses it, but still, I think that's something sometimes can be part of making a community.